Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to continue the same lesson. What is the lesson name? The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. It's a play. Okay, it's a drama written by whom? Written by the great William Shakespeare. Okay, William Shakespeare. So last class what we have seen, what is the story? Did you remember that? Did you watch the video? Please don't skip the video. You must watch this play. It's very interesting play. All should know about Shakespearean plays. Okay, it tells Shakespearean characters are very what is that unique and different. Okay, so all should watch this video. Okay, so what is the story? The story is about the divine quality of mercy is always better than justice. The play is about between the rivalry between Shylock the Jew. Okay, the play is about the rivalry between Shylock the Jew and Antonio, the young Christian merchant of Venice. Okay, he's the central character, Antonio, and Shylock is the very important character in this play. So he's a Christian merchant. I told you, what do you mean by merchant? Merchant means a person or company involved in selling the goods to other countries. Okay, that is merchant. So Antonio was a young and honest merchant in the town of Venice. He was the kindest man ever lived. Okay, Antonio was the kindest person, and he had a bosom friend who is his name Bassanio. So one thing you have to remind in your mind, that characters names are not like our country's name. It's all our Christian names, so you have to be pronounce it correctly. So you have to open your mouth and you have to pronounce a word correctly. So when you are reading that this play, you have to open your mouth and you have to pronounce the character names and all. Okay, Antonio, and Antonio's best friend is Bassanio. So Bassanio was a noble Venetian. So he is an intimate a friend of Antonio, and he is a noble Venetian. Venetian means a person of Venice people. Okay, that is that people of Venice, we call it as Venetian. So he was not a rich man. Who was not a rich man? Bassanio was not a rich man. So he wanted to marry Portia. These and all we seen in the last class. Once again I am revising that. You just listen that. Okay. So Bassanio loved a beautiful girl. The girl name is Portia. Portia was a wealthy lady. So he had much money, and she was living in Belmont. So don't pronounce Blmont, Belmont. It is, you have to pronounce that Belmont. Okay. Her father died some time ago. She was the only Harris. Hires. Aras. You have to pronounce like that. So he is the heredity of that property. Portia. And Portia loved Bassanio very much, and Bassanio want to see Portia in Belmont, but he has no money in his hand. So he was asking his best friend Antonio, and Antonio, who is Antonio? Antonio was a, what is that? He was a merchant. So that time he has no money with his hand. Why? Because he expected some of his ships to come home soon laden, carrying which merchandise. Okay. Merchandise. Merchandise means sold. The goods means what? The product should be sold. Then only he will get the money back. Okay? Who? Antonio. So now he has no money in his hand. Who? Antonio. So who is asking money to whom? Bassanio is asking money to Antonio. Okay. And hence he decided to borrow the amount from Shylock, who was a money lender. So all should remember what are the characters we have seen. Antonio, Bassanio. Now the character is Shylock. Shylock is a money lender. Shylock was a money lender. Money lender means he will give the money and he will take the money in a particular period of time. Okay, and then so who is asking money to whom? Now Antonio had no money in his hand, so Antonio was asking Shylock. Okay, Shylock is a money lender, money giving person. So Antonio was asking Shylock money. Shylock had become very rich by lending money at a very high interest to merchants. So Shylock had become very rich by lending money. So he was Shylock usually giving the money to other people, and he is asking interest. So he become a very rich, high interest person, and he is a rich person. Okay, he become very rich person, particularly to merchants. He was a hard-hearted man and was very severe with his customers. So he was very hard-hearted person. He was not a good-hearted person. So he was asking more interest to the people. And so Antonio didn't like Shylock behavior and his attitude. Understand? So therefore there was a great enmity between whom? The greedy Shylock and Antonio. Okay, greedy means what? Desire, more desire to achieve something. Okay, so asking money, that is greedy. So Shylock is a greedy person. So Antonio and Bassanio went to Shylock. So at last what happened? Antonio and Bassanio went to Shylock. Antonio asked the Jew to lend him 3,000 ducats at any interest. So Antonio, how much money he was asking? 3,000 ducats. Ducats is a gold coin. Okay, their currency. He would pay it back as soon as his ships returned from the sea. So what Antonio was telling to Shylock, I will pay the money when the ship comes return. Okay, that time I will pay the all the money. Who is telling? Antonio was telling to Shylock. Shylock thought deeply. So Shylock was thought deeply, and he took his the golden opportunity. So both are having vengeance in their heart, particularly Shylock. Shylock as having vengeance in his heart. So he takes this opportunity, golden opportunity, to take revenge on the Venetian who had insulted him many times. So Antonio insulted Shylock many times. So this is a golden opportunity to take revenge. If he is not returning the money in a particular time, so what will happen? So let's see that. Yes, I will lend you the money. So what happened? Quickly Shylock was, what is that? Replying. Okay. Who is going to whom? Antonio and Bassanio was going to meet Shylock to asking money, and Shylock was ready to give the 3,000 ducats to whom? Antonio. Okay. So I will give you money, then I will take no interest, said the greedy money lender. Okay, in his heart he is not a good person, but outwardly he was saying like a generous person. Who? Shylock. Shylock was surprised at this kind offer. So when Antonio was asking the money, immediately Shylock was ready to give the money. So this was surprise to Antonio. Shylock still pretended to be generous. So Shylock was pretending to be a generous. He is pretending, acting like a generous person, good person. He again said he would lend him the 3,000 ducats and take no interest for his money if repaid in time. So what Shylock was telling, I will give the money what you are asking. 3,000 ducats you are asking. I will give you the money. But no interest. Okay, no interest. But you have to return the money at correct time. Okay, you have to return the money in time. His only condition was that Antonio should go with him to a lawyer and sign a bond in Marysport stating that if he did not repay the money in time, he would forfeit a pound of flesh to be cut off any part of his body. Okay, so here forfeit means, this is a very important word here. So always Shakespeare use a words and all in a different way, give or loss. Okay, this is the meaning. So forfeit. Okay, so here Antonio was going, one condition was put by Shylock. So Antonio was going with him to a lawyer, and he has to sign in a bond because he is borrowing the money. So he has to sign in a bond, and in that, if he did not repay the money, he would, this is a very important scene here, he would forfeit, he would lose pound of flesh to be cut off from any part of his body. Okay, so Antonio is not able to give the money in correct time. He will, that Shylock will cut a pound of flesh to be cut off from any part of his body. Whose body? Antonio body. Okay, so I hope you all understood this play very well. This is a play, it's a drama, but here in your text they have given as a lesson story, but in originally it has a big book. Okay, Shakespeare written this as a big book. Okay, it's a big play drama. Okay, so here they have given a short story like this. Okay, so here we have seen this beautiful story here, this play here. Next class also we will continue the same play. Okay, so all keep on watching this video continuously. If you skip one video also, you cannot understand this play. So keep watching this. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.